Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to delete all messages on Facebook Messenger at once. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just type Messenger, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna double check if my Messenger app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the Messenger, right? And as you can see, this is the interface of the app, and I only have 3 messages, right? And if I wanted to delete it at once, just go ahead and delete it, and then just go ahead and hold and delete that message. But I recommend you to actually archive the message so you won't lose any kind of information regarding those chats, and you can just go ahead and just delete the messages just like this, right? And if you want to leave group, just leave groups, and you left the group you no longer have messages right here. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.